You go to an amusement park with your friend Betty, who wants to ride the 30-meter diameter Ferris wheel. She starts the ride at the lowest point of a wheel that, as ye face it, rotates counterclockwise. What is her displacement vector when the wheel has rotated by an angle of 60? Give your answer as a magnitude and a direction. So it's asking for a magnitude and a direction for a displacement. So basically, this question is saying. So now we're gonna look for a displacement vector. So a vector is basically a magnitude and direction. So first, let's find the direction. So as you can see, um, it starts here, and it's 15. It's 15 meters from the axle of the Ferris wheel, and then it turns a little bit to the left, 60 degrees. So pretend that this is 60 degrees, and this is also 15 meters. So it's also 15 meters because in a circle, all radii are congruent. So yeah. So so now we know that the vector is this direction. Uh, since uh, since it says that the wheel is rotating counterclockwise. Excuse me, since I missed the underlining. So so yeah, we have the direction which is over here. So it's northwest. So so now we have to get the magnitude. So so as you can see, we made an isosceles triangle where both sides are 15 meters. Remember, uh, every radii in the same circle are congruent. So that means these two sides are congruent. So in that case, if two sides are congruent, that would mean their corresponding angles are also congruent, since that's how an isosceles triangle works. So since we know that the angle where the two sides meet that are given length, uh, that's 60 degrees. So and the triangle is 180 degrees. So we need to know how. So we need to know how much are in these two angles. So 100 with 180 minus 60 is 120, and 120 divided by 2, since there's two angles here that need to be measured, is 60. So that would mean you know that since they're all 60, they're an equilateral triangle, and an equilateral triangle is both congruent. All sides are congruent and all angles are congruent. So since it means that all sides are congruent, we already have our magnitude, which is 15 meters. So Betty traveled 15 meters northwest, and that's your answer for this question.